Hello guys, welcome back to Sport Tutorial channel. Now I will give you tutorial how hide Facebook friend list. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Facebook application, click on. After that, you can to see about your profile here and click three dots and view as. Scroll, you can see that friends is exists for your profile, and how to hide his. You can go back to the profile and click on the three step here, scroll down and click setting and privacy. Click settings and scroll down until you meet the how people find and contact you. You can go to the who can see your friend list. You can click on and you can click see more here, and after that click only me. Okay, go back to the profile to see this is a work or not. Click three dots again and click view as. Scroll down. This action you're trying to take doesn't work while using view as. Okay, so it means that friends list here is doesn't to appear for the others people. Okay, this is a tutorial how to hide Facebook friend list. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.